National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Madison County in north-central Alabama, Limestone County in north-central Alabama, eastern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, Northwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, northern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Lexington to Rogersville to near Layton, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Huntsville, Decatur, Madison, Athens, Fayetteville, Moores Mill, Meridianville, Redstone Arsenal, Hazel Green, and Trinity. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has a history of producing wind damage in northwest Alabama. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central, northeastern, and northwestern Alabama and Middle Tennessee.